Now go to StreamLabs OBS and download and open when finished. And yes, allow to make changes to your computer when that first pops up. And I would suggest to save it in a destination folder that you can find. Now, log in. Take your cursor to the bottom. You see that arrow? And it will say log in. Okay, so click log in. If you get a message that pops up to enable multi-stream, turn that off, because the point to this right now is to get you streaming on DLive, and we will talk about multi-streaming later on. Since we're not using this for right now, let's select another platform, and then you can click on DLive, and it's going to ask you for your stream key. Let me show you how to get that. Go to your DLive account and scroll down, and you will see encoding server information. Click on that, and now you'll be able to copy your stream URL or stream key. Remember, they just asked for your stream key, so you need to regenerate server URL. Now you can copy that, and now you can go back to StreamLabs. Paste, finish. Click on Settings. Click on Stream, and you're going to see Streaming Services. You want to make sure to change it to Custom Streaming Server. This is why, because on Streaming Services you have Twitch and you have a lot of these other options, but DLive is not an option. So you're going to want to click on Custom Streaming Server. Now that you have your stream key, you can also paste again. Now you need your URL. So let's go back to DLive. Now copy stream URL, go back to StreamLabs, and paste. Click Done. You may have noticed there was a note up here. Please make sure you have set keyframe equals 2 in your broadcasting software. So let me show you how to do that while we're still here. Go back to StreamLabs. Go to your settings wheel. Click on output. Since you haven't had this set up, it'll probably show simple, but click on advanced, okay? And then scroll down to keyframe. This will say 0, and you just click the arrow to put it on 2. So just make sure it says 2 there, and then click Done.